A ver.
This is slippery.
Yeah, right. Jesus, it's insane. Not here.
This is us.
Walk on this. Let's see. See how deep it is.
Wow. Wow.
Do you think there's rubbish collection today? Oh my god. It is insane.
Never seen it in my whole life. It's so cool.
This is the biggest snowfall in like 40, 50 years. This is not normal. A lot of people have been asking, is it normal that there's snow in Madrid?
I mean, it snows almost every year, especially in the mountains, of course, of Madrid.
That's true, but not in the city.
But never, every year you'll see a few snowflakes, right?
Yeah.
But I mean, never like this. I've never seen this in my life.
And it gets very messy, and like if it's like a little bit of snow and then it kind of disappears and it's kind of gross and sludgy. And but this is like Joder, se ha caído el árbol.
Sí, sí, están cayendo árboles.
Trees are falling down. Let's go up this way, Yoly. Okay. Trees collapsing. I mean, this is like disaster area.
This is like a different. Look at that branch.
Yeah. This branch is completely clipped.
Que vamos más bien lentos.
How are the plastic bags holding up, Yoly?
I think they're holding up fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can still feel my feet.
That's a good sign. I mean, there's a part of this is like, you know, and we're going to have some fun, but there's a part of this right in the middle of a pandemic. Like, what if you were giving birth today? Like, this is...
It's like, you can't get to a hospital. Health workers can't leave hospital to go home to rest. Other workers that have rested can't get to the hospital.
Yeah.
So it's very messy. I mean, this is like the icing on the cake, right, to the pandemic.
As I saw a thing on Twitter, and it was like 2020 is currently at 106%. So it's just continuing to 2021. But I mean, this is going to take days to clean up. I mean, I wonder at what point cars collapse. You know, we had some.
Going to hold up. I mean, if cars collapse, I don't know. We're doomed about our terraza.
El terraza is actually problematic. The toldo, the cover, has collapsed. Not being snow people, we put it out last night to protect some plants from the snow, but of course it got covered in snow and collapsed.
Great idea.
I mean, literally impossible, this street. And look, that shop opened. Like, they actually opened. Shops aren't opening. You can see all these shops that are closed.
Yeah.
But this shop, somebody decided to open.
Well, they're selling, like, I don't know, maybe snow boots.
Hope so. Look at that. All right. For those of you who are used to snow, this might be all very just boring and normal, but I think the fact is when it rains in Madrid, should we go up this way, Yoly?
Yeah.
When it rains in Madrid, the metro like collapses. But the metro, I believe, is running. Buses are not running. People have been stuck on the motorway for hours. They can't get off. All right. It's like walking through a forest. It's like walking through a forest. ¿Ibas a hacer la compra? ¿Ibas a hacer la compra con el carro?
Wow, valiente.
Wow.
¿Al mercado?
Sí, el Mercadona está abierto. He llamado y me dijeron que estaba abierto.
Oh, wow.
Bueno, porque vaya bien.
So that woman has her carro. She's doing the shopping. She said she checked and Mercadona is open, but also she's doing shopping for elderly people who are, you know, staying at home because of coronavirus. So here's a car that just stopped. They had to leave it.
Oh my God.
It is post-apocalyptic, right? It is so deep here.
It's like 40 centimeters or so. Or even more, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, I have long legs and I'm almost...
Oh my God, like, here. Like, literally. I don't want to break the camera.
You have it coming.
Yeah, right. Don't break the camera.
¿Habéis hecho vosotros?
Wow, yeah.
Sí, sí, desde luego material no nos escasea.
With chupa chups as eyes. The recycling bins.
¿Cómo, mi amor?
The recycling bins. So we are planning in 3 days to go to Madrid wine country to do a little excursion video due out in a few weeks, but I don't know how long. I mean, that just may not be possible now. We may have to delay that video because although it's supposed to stop snowing tonight at 7 o'clock and that's supposed to be it, as you see, the whole city is just...
won't go away because it's very cold.
Yeah.
It's just gonna freeze.
That's true. So this is going to be a week of kind of chaos.
Yeah.
The fire brigade. Sí, sí, los perros de Madrid no tienen idea de esto, ¿no?
No, esta viene de...
Ah, es de León.
Esta es de León. El zorrillo era de León.
So this is Calle Alcalá, one of the main streets of Madrid. Look, he's open. He's brave.
Huh?
He's brave. He's open.
Yeah. Someone's gotta open.
Yeah.
Feed the people.
Yeah. We've seen images on WhatsApp being shared around of people skiing through Madrid, dogs dragging a sled, right?
So surreal.
Oh, there's our bank. Closed. It's always closed.
Yeah.
They're never there. So it's just people have come out to kind of play, right? And just experience this. Take photos.
We can't do anything else, can we?
No.
Stay home or play. Like this slope. Look at the slope. I love the shapes that the snow makes.
Yeah.
Must be with like the wind direction and... Chiqui, que te vas a resfriar.
Un poquito.
There's everything going on. I don't know what that is all about, but... Wow. Instagrammer.
Yeah. Taking one for the team.
It is like walking through a winter wonderland. I feel like I'm walking into Narnia.
It certainly doesn't look like Madrid.
Está muy vencido. De verdad, que lo conocemos ese árbol, está súper vencido.
Neighbors warning the people not to stand under the tree because it might collapse on them. So that tree that the guy was dancing in his underwear just collapsed. So lucky he wasn't.
I know, the neighbor was very wise.
Yeah. This is how deep it is. Wow. Up to my knee. It's up to my knee, Yoly.
Yeah.
So we're going to head back to our house and check out the terrace situation. Or the terrace disaster zone.
Yeah, like I was thinking, oh, let's go home and like get nice and cozy. But
Oh no.
No.
We need to go make a snowman on that terrace. It's got eggs. People are doing the shopping.
There's also a lovely feeling of people are just, because everything is so new. People are just chatting to each other, you know, like very naturally, you know. Things that you wouldn't do normally out in the street. People are just kind of saying, hey, no, that shop is open. Oh my God, that's so great. I'm going to go there. And
Well, it almost changes the landscape, the kind of the meaning of it. Suddenly this is not a road. This is almost like a park, right?
It's a park. It's a fun park. Let's do it.
And no masks.
I know. Masks, you know, it's really, really cool to keep warm.
Let me give you a tour of our terrace. That's true. The mask has been helpful. So... So our terrace is inundated, and what you'll see up here, if you give me the camera, Yoly, I can So we decided to protect our herbs last night by covering them with the toldo, but it collapsed.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, Jesus.
What is this? It's so solid. It's crazy.
Do you want me to go up? So we need to clear this pipe. Seguro?
Wow,
Que
I
está
mean,
bien?
like, I'm standing here.
This is a gas pipe.
And this, well, I only put it this morning. Here. Come on. Oh, well, whatever.
Where's the broom and...
Well, okay, no, it's fine.
See?
See, it's fine.
Okay. So are we going to try and save the plants?
A little bit.
Okay. It's insane, guys. I mean, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know if we should do anything. It's almost up to the window.
Huh?
Are you going to come?
I wanted to measure that, but what? Okay.
What are we going to fix? We need to, because it's going to get cold, so we should be efficient. I look like you're hiking through the snow. Hiking across the terrace.
Well, I want to measure this, just well, look. Yeah, it's like 50 centimeters. Yeah. I don't know, maybe it's just about, oh, poor plants, man. They're all gonna die.
Yeah.
This was the aloe vera. What's this?
¿Qué es esto? Ah, the watering can.
Go figure, it was here.
Here, this.
Good work.
Yeah, right?
Good.
Yeah, we do this every year. Lucky we're actually replacing this toldo.
I know.
Do the terrace.
That was the plan, so there you go.
Nature helped.
Yeah. Because otherwise we can just rest in our laurels a little bit, so.
It'd be good if this had a broom handle on it.
Oh, yeah, it is there under the snow. I mean, at some point, you need to get under there and give... Eso, ay. But, yeah. Yeah, keep going like that.
It's like an avalanche.
Obviously, you've never been in an avalanche. Eso. Ahí te quiero ver. Eso es. Yeah. Muy bien. Perfect. Doesn't need to be huge. It's gonna be the fastest snowman ever. There
I
you
didn't know
go.
how to make a snowman, I realized.
And I can see.
I think you pile it up, then you craft it.
Uh-huh. How tall do you want it to be? Ah, que me caigo. Uy. It can also be like a snow mountain, and that's it.
So a lot of people, every year, well, not every year, but often in Madrid, they'll be like, there's going to be snow, and everyone gets kind of excited. And then like 4 flakes fall, and everyone gets really disappointed. So yesterday morning, Yoly's friends, because it hadn't started snowing properly yet, or, you know, Yoly's friends were like, oh man, how disappointing. They said it was going to snow, and there's like nothing. Like 24 hours later, we're like knee deep in our terrace and snow building a snowman. So,
Life. That is not a snowman. Look at that.
taking shape.
Uh-huh.
I need my ice chisel. We're one of those people, those crazy people on the beach who make sculptures out of sand.
Oh.
Lost his head.
What happened?
Fell over. Get up.
It's like being drunk.
It is. Imagine being drunk in the snow.
Ole, that's beautiful. Final touches?
Yeah. Okay, my hands are frozen, but we got there. We've got a little nail that I found. We've got a door stopper as a mouth and 2 little stones as eyes. So, I mean, I've seen better snowmen, but
This one has a lot of soul.
I think it does. I think it does. So, guys, welcome to Madrid. Can't wait to come visit. God knows what 2021 has in store for us. But, oh man,
It's looking
I don't
interesting.
even know how to end this video. I'm like, it's done. There is no ending possible.
Bye bye. From warm, sunny Madrid.
See you in summer. All right, let's see how those plastic bags worked out. Dry as a bone. See ya.